Why does your scanner show the P0421 engine code? What does it mean? P0421 is a diagnostic trouble code for warm-up catalyst efficiency below threshold at bank 1. It indicates that the oxygen sensor on bank 1 is detecting that your vehicle's catalytic converter is not working as efficiently as it should. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Damaged catalytic converter. Faulty oxygen sensor. Damaged oxygen sensor wiring. Exhaust leaks. Engine misfires. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Honda, Toyota, Mazda, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.